don't agree na i-categorize at ikahon ang mga tao. But I think we cannot ignore the fact that there are some similarities, no? So importante na this is an old quote that I always keep in mind to keep me grounded, no? All people are alike. Lahat ng tao ay pare-pareho. Actually, yung original quote ito ay all men are alike, no? Some people are alike, okay? Some people are alike, so you can look at age, race, gender, economic situation. So some people are alike. But it's also very important to keep this in mind. No two persons are alike. So my advice to all leaders is to look at the person you're leading as a unique individual who may share some similar traits with other people, but this person that you're dealing with is unique. Na maaaring merong mga nangyayaring trend. Number one, tip ko pa rin in dealing with people is know the individual. Kilalanin ang miyembro ng iyon. To recognize that some of this may be true for some people but not for all people.